Still had a few problems with this top-up system and the bloody micro bubbles. As I said, I bought one of these socks from Oasis up in Manchester, and I've thrown that down there, and that seems to have done with it. In this section here, it's a sandwich. There's foam on the very bottom, and then in between there's a carbon and Rowaphos, which I put in just about 2 days ago. Keeps the tank sparkling and the phosphates down. Not that there are any phosphates detectable anyway, it was just literally, it's a new tank, and obviously with the introduction of even RO water and seawater, there's going to be some elements of phosphates. It might even be from the actual manufacturing process that, you know, I didn't rinse the tank out, so there might be phosphates from there. So obviously that's why I've put the Rowaphos in, and I'll always put that in. Yes, I could throw in a reactor for phosphates, but you know what, I'm an old school, and I've never had issues with reef tanks, and just throwing some Rowaphos in a sock. Then there's some more carbon just there, as you can see, which I change once every 2 or 3 weeks. Money is not a problem, and so I'm quite happy to go along with, you know, changing the media in there, the carbon and all of the different filter medias. There is no actual biological filter media other than the Live Rock. That is it. 100 kg of it, and that is all of it there. That is the agent, so there's no need for any ceramic tiles or anything like that. What is pissing me off to a degree is this bloody float switch though, because, you know, it's using around, I'd say about 2 inches a day in water. I spoke to Oasis and they said that that's quite normal, so I suppose I shouldn't worry. There's not much more. I still have not yet calibrated the light system. I'm going to be doing that today, you know. At the moment I've just been throwing it on at 10 AM and then turning it off around 10 PM, so it's been on for 12-hour cycles, which is what I always do with my tanks anyway, but I need to get the bloody timer sorted out. The lighting system is pretty okay, as far as I'm concerned. However, I do want more shimmer on my beautiful tank that I've spent over nearly £5,500 on thus far, and I want some shimmer. To a degree there is, but not as much as I would like. And so I've been told by one of the shops called, oh gosh, what is it now? Abyss in Stockport. They've told me that I can get some Aqua Beam or Aqua Ray 600s. Obviously for the length of the tank, probably, you know, three of them or so, on an aluminium frame, and it'll sit on the corners neatly there, like so. And apparently it will give me a really great shimmer. Probably for the price of about, I don't know, 200-300 quid. So I might get one of those sorted out next week. And that's it. But overall, I am incredibly impressed. I have had to liaise on some occasions with Kevin at Red Sea. He's been very, very helpful, and yeah, the tank's doing quite fine. I've just got to play the waiting game now, get the system matured, and get some bloody corals in there, which is what I can't wait to do. And of course, an anemone for these two little fishes, the perculas there. Anyway, watch this space. Speak soon.